This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to have fish oil capsules easily. Let's dive into some straightforward methods to make taking your daily supplement a breeze. We'll cover techniques to minimize any unpleasant aftertaste and ensure you can consistently incorporate fish oil into your routine without hassle. Get ready to simplify your supplement regimen and enjoy the benefits. One effective trick is to chill your capsules. Simply place them in the freezer for about 15 to 30 minutes before you plan to take them. The cold temperature helps to solidify the oil, making the capsule less prone to breaking down quickly in your stomach, which often causes that unwanted fishy aftertaste. Swallow them with plenty of liquid. Timing is key. Always take your fish oil capsules with a meal, especially one containing other healthy fats. This aids in absorption and significantly reduces the chance of stomach upset or those notorious fishy burps. Some people find taking them right before bed also helps, as you're less likely to notice any aftertaste while sleeping. For best results, always store your fish oil capsules in a cool, dark place away from direct sunlight to maintain their potency. Also, consider trying enteric-coated capsules. They are designed to pass through the stomach intact, dissolving in the intestines, which can drastically reduce any fishy burps. Remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.